65 whip, game sick. Pretty bitch with me cause the way she suck my dick. Backseat full of pearl and black suitcases. Driving speed limit, I ain't trying to catch a case. Cross the state border, headed into Georgia. Then down to Florida, then back up to Cola. Doing my thing, white gold chain hang. Pretty thing with me to attract the fucking lames. Niggas chasing ass, I'm about getting paper. Rims, lipstick like naked good lips. Shine them up bright like Collar Pratt lips. Love movie stars, then go and write some bars. Puffin' Wiz Khalifa while jamming Tupac. Music down low and you know I got that Glock. Fiends hit me up, I'm 24/7. Don't go to church cause I ain't going to heaven. Mama shake her head, don't want her son dead. Praying Lord save me, he about getting bread. Your boy pump weight like he in a magazine. Got a main bitch, but she ain't my fucking queen. All I wanna do is hit the streets and serve them fiends. All guns out, if you know what I'm talking about.
I did it all on my own, turned a chair to a throne. I'm a king and it's why I'm
done hard.
I put my whole city on to some things that they never would've known if I did.
Done hard.
And every night is a premiere. If I ever get here, best believe I'm coming back.
Done hard.
Got rich, went broke, and got rich again. On that same shit again. All I ever do is stop.
Listening in true, my rocks all blue. Call it blue magic cause it's like some fucking magnets. They sprinting up to me and you'll think the shit free. Fiends on your block or loyal to me. Gotta give back to the community. If I go to jail, I'll front the fucking bell. I'm digging out your bitch, oh yeah, that big jail. Trying to fuck Diamond Jackson, man, fuck Janet Jackson.